Hi, in this video I will show how to use Sqlite to SQL script converting app. This is my website. I will leave link on this site into description. To find app, I click on search and type Sqlite to get all Sqlite apps and click on app page. Then click on download button to start downloading process. And wait until archive with app will be downloaded from Google Cloud to my computer. Then click on downloaded archive to open it. Then double click on MSI inside archive to start installation and click on more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next, install. Click on yes and click on finish. And you can see app has been installed on my computer and I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, minimize this and double click on shortcut to launch an app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In first step I have to select database, Sqlite database I want to convert into script. So I'll click on select input file, navigate to Sqlite I want to convert. Let's get this one, Actors Movie Sqlite. It's just example. Click on open. Then after I selected all files I want to be converted to SQL script, I'll click on next step. On next step I can choose add ID field, some table, some SQLite. If you want to have additional ID field to every SQLite table, it will do that, because sometimes it's like it's beneficial to have ID field on the tables, and if SQLite doesn't have it, this app will add it. And here I have to specify which database I want to convert. SQL Server, MySQL, or Sqlite. So for example, I want to convert to MySQL. To SQL Server, I will select SQL Server, click on next step, and on next step I can preview SQL generated by the app, or I can just save results of SQL script. Now I will select, app will ask me to specify name of the file and location. To save a SQL, I will just, this name and location is okay, I'll just click save, and you can see file has been saved, and I can go and open it into Notepad just to demonstrate that this is, it's simple file with all. First is like create table, and then is data from table that create another table and another data insertion for this table. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.